I wish I had a portable water flosser so I could clean my teeth and gums properly while on my trip. We already know how expensive it can be to go to the dentist for any type of dental work, especially if you live in the United States. That's why we must keep good oral hygiene. With the Monasmile oral irrigator, it makes it a lot easier because it's highly portable. Straight out of the box, make sure you have the user's manual, 5 attachment heads, along with 3 interchangeable tips, which provides you these 5 modes that you can use. And with a USB to A to USB-C charge cable, and with the oral irrigator, which can hold 300 milliliters. They also have a bigger version which holds 350 milliliters. So here is the 300 milliliter, fairly compact water flosser. Well, it is a lot more compact than the one that I'm using right now. As you can see, there's a power button, and it also features 3 modes. Let me peel this plastic. Yeah, brand new, nothing like unboxing. And it also features a gravity ball, which ensures that it pumps everything out of this reservoir. And this is where you would put the water in there. It holds 300 milliliters once again. All right, and this must be the charge part for the USB-C. So it takes about 2 to 3 hours to charge it, and you can use it for a whopping 35 days. So here are the 5 attachment heads. The first is a standard, which is used for daily cleaning. Okay, and you would attach these tips to convert it into the deep cleaning. This will be used for deep cleaning, see? And this will be for orthodontics. If you have any braces, wear any braces, this will help it guide easier between the braces. And this would be for periodontal. If you're suffering from gingivitis or periodontal disease, that's why you have to make sure you clean the gum properly. And last is the tongue cleaner or tongue scraper. So it's charging via the USB right now, and once again, it takes about 2 to 3 hours for a full charge and lasts around over a month. And it even features a 2000 milliamps rechargeable battery. There are 2 ways to fill the 300 milliliter water tank. You can either fill it through this hole right here, or you can simply open this and then filling it the faster way. I'll just use some lukewarm water. And don't forget, you can also put some mouthwash, some salt, or any type of herbal ingredients that you think can help with your oral hygiene. Okay. I'm gonna start things off using the standard nozzle. So you basically align it like this, which will be sideways, and then rotate it. So now it's tight. All right, here we go. I'm gonna press the power button. Oh wow, that is strong. Hoo-wee. So it pumps at 30 to 90 psi depending on which setting you have. So now I'm gonna switch the mode. It's using this is called the clean mode. Now I'm gonna use the post mode. So it kind of pulses, kind of like cyclic. And then lastly is the surf mode. What this does, it's like it surges, points, and sprays. This is actually a cool mode. All right, so it takes about 45 seconds to use all of the water. All right, let me turn this off. Just untouch the button. Again, simply remove it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and test out the next one. Will be the deep cleaning. I think the deep cleaning in this nozzle. All right, And this is what the deep cleaner looks like. Because it's starting out, it needs it. There we go, there we go. How it's sideways, see? Because the pump, there we go. Just filled it with more water, and now I'm gonna try the orthodontics, which is for braces. Again, you can switch the modes. And here is the periodontal. I really like that last mode though, which surges. Yeah, I like that. And lastly is the tongue scraper or tongue cleaning mode. So just run it against your tongue while it sprays the solution. That's how you would clean it. You already know it's not a complete review until I've tested it out. So I have the deep cleaning head attachment. Here we go. I'm gonna cycle through all the 3 modes. Hopefully I don't get the bathroom wet. Mode 2. Mode 3. Everett remembers your last mode that you use. I am so thankful now I have a portable water flosser that I can take with me anywhere, especially let's say we go on vacation. Sometimes that regular brushing just isn't enough, even with an electric toothbrush. And with the 5 interchangeable heads, you're going to be able to clean between your teeth, around your gums, and even if you wear braces, it's so easily cleaned, especially with the flexible head and with the powerful pump and motor. It's going to help you get rid of all of your bacteria and food residue that could be residing in your mouth. And it can help clean and get rid of your tonsil stones. You know those nasty smelling things, the bacteria that hides in the crevices of your throat? Well, this helps to remove it. And with this large 300 milliliter water tank, it provides you with a good 45 seconds of proper cleaning. Now you can maintain your oral hygiene with the Monasmile portable oral irrigator.